Hey everyone, it's Mike Andes, and today we're talking about using these shipping containers to potentially save yourself a lot of money when it comes to storing the things at your shop space. So we use a lot of these. You can see that we got two of them here. We got another one over there. And all of our shop spaces where we do not have enclosed roll-up doors, we are using these. These are a little bit cheaper. Now, let's break down some of the costs on these. So these are 8 feet wide, 8 feet tall. These are 40 feet long. You get ones that are 20 feet long and that are half this size. But what's really great about these is they're super heavy duty, they're easy to lock up, and they're easy to keep everything secure. Now, a lot of them will have these vents in the side in order to ensure that you don't have fumes inside that are like gaseous and blow this thing up like a pressure cooker. So if you work on oil inside or you had propane or something like that, it wouldn't like combust if you had all the gas going. Now, these bad boys are typically gonna cost you somewhere in the neighborhood of $4,000 to $8,000. Now, that could be an old number very quickly because we bought these for like $2,000 back in the day. The last couple of years, they've gone up to like 7, 8, 9, 10. I saw some of these for $10,000 or more, especially during 2020, 2021. And when the supply chain was all messed up. And the reason that the supply chain affects these is because these are actually shipping containers used by shipping, the ships that come over with these containers on them. And they come from China, and a lot of times it's actually cheaper for them to make new empty shipping containers in China than it is for them to ship these back to China empty and pick up more cargo. So that's why like the supply chain, when it was all messed up, these all got discombobulated in terms of price. But again, if you're gonna pay $10,000, $11,000, $12,000 for these, typically not worth it. But we were able to get these for like $2,000 or $3,000 back in the day, and we store a lot of stuff inside. So like in here, for example, we keep track of our broken equipment. We also keep all of our equipment organized in terms of hand tools, and we're able to put these 2x4s, secure them with a nut and a bolt, and then we're able to put these racks on here and keep track of all our shovels and rakes and hose and all the other stuff that goes up on here. We also created some custom benches, i.e. shelves with some wood as well. And we keep track of everything in terms of our blowers. And the guys just know that, hey, certain boxes have certain pieces of equipment, and it keeps track of everything for them to be able to pick up stuff in the morning before they head out for the day. But these are probably a cheaper solution to you potentially than getting a whole bunch of enclosed trailers or getting a super fancy shop space that might cost you $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 a month in rent. You can just pick up one of these bad boys, put it on an empty lot, and have some relatively secure storage for your lawn care business.